What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna give you my best tips for making girls notice you all the way from across the room so that before you even talk to them, they are already attracted to you. Are you ready, bro? Let's get started.
I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
So the first tip I'm gonna give you is a very simple one, and that is eye contact. And this is absolutely crucial because if you make too much eye contact and you're always looking at a girl who you find attractive, then she's gonna find that kind of creepy and she's not gonna be interested in you. But on the other hand, if you don't make any eye contact, then you're gonna come off as very shy, or she might even think that you're not interested because you're never looking at her. So here's what you wanna do, bro. When you notice a cute girl at the gym or at the bar or wherever you are, you wanna periodically glance over in her direction, maybe, once or twice every minute. Now, if she's not looking at you, then you don't want to stare. Just, continue back doing whatever you were doing. But if she is looking at you, then you want to hold eye contact with her for like 2 or 3 seconds and then look away. But here's the biggest key. You want to make sure when you do this that you have a little smirk or a little grin on your face, because otherwise it's going to come across as creepy. So not a big cheesy smile like this, but just something natural like this. And this will show her that you're confident and that you're interested in her. So now all you have to do is go up and actually talk to her. All right, guys, number 2 is to dress with swagger. So the 2 things I always talk about are, first of all, wearing colors that match. So always wearing neutral colors like black or tan or forest green. And second, wearing clothes that fit you. So you always want your things to fit on the snugger side without looking like they're too small for you. Now, these 2 things are super important, but if you want to make girls notice you, then you also need to select styles that make you stand out from the average guy. Now, I know that being a man, working on your style can be intimidating. You want to be focused on your career, your goals, and your hobbies, so making time to go to the mall and select styles doesn't seem practical. Plus, I think style and clothing is just something that seems kind of like foreign to us. It's not something that we naturally care about. And that leads me to the sponsor of today's video, the Minlo Club. Now, the Minlo Club is a company with over 15 years of experience in the men's fashion world, but the reason I partnered with them for this video is because they offer this amazing service where you log onto their website, you fill out a little quiz to let them know what your personal style is, and then every single month they curate a wardrobe for you and they send you fresh styles that are gonna look dope but that also match your personal preferences. For example, they sent me these fresh leather sneakers that I'm wearing right now, these ripped black jeans that I'm obsessed with the fit on these, and also this cool tan shirt that I'm rocking. Now, they normally charge $60 a month for this, but right now they are hooking up Beast Nation. If you use coupon code BEAST, then you're gonna get your first month half off, only $30, plus they're gonna throw in a pair of free sunglasses. Just click that first link in the description to sign up for the Minlo Club now so you can take your style to the next level while staying focused on your goals. Honestly, guys, I don't do cardio. That was just for the video. The next tip I have for you is to build your shoulders. Now, you have to realize they've actually done studies that show that men with larger shoulder to hip ratios have more sex on average with more sexual partners. So this basically means that you want to have broad shoulders and narrow waist. So right now, if you're someone who has a little bit of a belly, your first priority should be eating less and dieting down to get rid of that. But beyond that, everyone watching this video should be focused, your workout should be focused on building your shoulders as big as possible. So here's what I recommend. Every single week, you want to do these 2 exercises at least 2 or 3 times per week. The first one is an overhead shoulder press with a barbell. That's honestly just the best overall mass builder for your shoulders. But beyond that, you also want to do lateral raises with dumbbells, because that's really going to help build that middle head of the delt that gives you that broad look. Now, if you're looking for more exercises to do to build this V-shaped body as fast as possible, and you also want a meal plan to go along with it, then I actually have a completely free online video training series that shows you the absolute fastest way to achieve this look in the gym and with your diet. So if you want to get access to that now, just click the I in the top right corner or the link in the description. The fourth tip that I have for you today is, are you ready for it? Talk to her. At the end of the day, there's only one way that will guarantee that she notices you, and that is actually walking up to her and opening your mouth. And I absolutely do not mean to just do this. Now, I've done literally a million, well, maybe not a million, but I've done a lot of other videos on the actual act of approaching girls, so go watch those. But the number one key that I have for you today is to do it with confidence. Once you decide that you're gonna go talk to the girl, just start moving your feet directly in her direction. Don't second guess yourself, just fucking walk that way. Make eye contact with her and smile or smirk when you're on the way there to signal that you're going to approach her so she doesn't get startled. And then once you get there, whatever you're gonna say, just keep it simple, deliver your line, and then stop talking and allow her to speak. And that's actually a really big tip because a lot of guys make the mistake of nervously rambling on when really all they're trying to say is, hey, my name's David, how are you doing? If you do this, I guarantee you that she will notice you, bro. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you click subscribe and turn notifications on because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. Alright guys, I just took a few photos with Julia.
Hey guys.
I did not think of a fourth or fifth point for this video, so I'm gonna put you on the spot.
Alright.
What's one thing guys do that make it hard for you to take their eyes off of them?
Ooh, guys that are having a good time.
So you mean like to have a good time?
Yeah. So what I mean by this, if you see a guy at the gym and he's knows everyone there, you know, talking everybody up, that's kind of attractive, you know? That means he's outgoing and he is fun to be around.
Damn, that's actually very insightful, Julia. So what I'd add on here is that basically think about the places that you tend to frequent. So the gym or maybe a coffee shop you go to all the time or a bar. And then what you want to do is in those places, you want to make an extra big effort to meet people. So other regulars that go there, but also other people who work there, like the trainers at the gym or the bouncers and the bartenders at the bar. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up right here. Those are 5 things you can do to make her notice you. If you like the video, make sure you also follow me on Instagram because every week I post photos on there to help give you good outfit ideas so you can take your style to the next level. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, then what are you doing, bro? Make sure you give it a thumbs up and you click subscribe. I will talk to you in the next video. If I don't talk to you in the next video, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Stay beastly!